You have that, right? Collaborations with eyes. Yeah, you gotta use the imaginary eye. So what kind of the concept here is we're gonna go forward with it. We're gonna acknowledge to the world that it was negative. The symbol we use to tell the world this was the square root of a negative is an I. Okay? So we are doing it and we're putting an I with it. And then we're gonna move forward with the word. And even though for centuries mathematicians stopped and they didn't move forward, the guy who decided to move forward was able to move forward with lots of different functions, formulas, equations having to do with electricity. So the guy who thought outside the box and was like, wait a minute, what if we just do it? He came up with stuff, and now we do it.
How do you write it? I was using, is it I4 or like 4I?
This one is just 4.
Yeah, I know.
This one is 4I.
Okay.
This one would be the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, which is 4 square root of 2.
Oh, it's like a girly eye.
Yeah, you could do italicized, you could do it slanted. No, but some people do a regular.
I make my longer.
Like you'll see like physics work and it'll just be like this tiny little, it almost looks like a 1. And that's how it is. Yeah. Well described. Okay. Yeah.
On the belt, like on a test, will we have to like show like it's
Where 4 is coming from. Start doing that. The calculator can help you. Like if you see a 2, you think backwards to 4. Yeah. Yeah. But you are supposed to justify and prove that you know where that came from in that calculator. So this is 4I squared 2, yeah. So if you can do 2, you can do 4. Just put an I with it, you know? Long story short. Yeah. All right, yesterday's work, 1 through 21. Did I shorten it? Yeah. Only for your class, by the way. The other classes did all. I know what I was thinking. But I realized you guys showed me. You can handle more. One. We'll talk about boys' appearances constantly, like real open about it. Boys, like I think our culture kind of has flipped a little bit, and like boys. And I know that's it's different, but I'm telling you, if you start to listen, people like a boy walks into a high school with a haircut, and he is talked about all day long about that haircut. Like, and we laugh about it, but man, that's a person. And page 200. Wait, that's not it. That's yesterday's. That's yesterday's. And then your assignment is 206, 29 to 49. Shorten it. Maybe we'll shorten it. Short today. Maybe I'll shorten it. It's actually not a holiday. Yeah, that's not I squared equals -1. That's the theme of all of these problems today. Treat I like x, but I squared is -1.
I'll probably have homework tonight. Hopefully.
Same section, still working operations with I. Today we're multiplying times. Yes, we did subtracting. Today we're doing multiplying and dividing. Now, why couldn't I include multiply and divide on the same day as the other ones? It's going to be a little less familiar to you than what you did yesterday. We're going to treat I just like x, but I squared equals -1. So I'm going to distribute here. I times 8 is 8I. I'm going to distribute here. I times I is I squared. Well, I squared is -1. 8I minus, I'm going to take the I squared out. I'm going to put -1 in. That would be 8I plus 1. And now I'm going to reorder it so it's in standard form. 1 plus 8I.
You don't get it?
So treat I like x. Do it like you've always done it. One little extra trick. I squared is actually equal to the real number, -1. So, on 18, if you like the box method, you can do the box method. 3 positive I, 5 negative I. Or you can do FOIL double distribution. 15 minus 3I plus 5I minus I squared. There's I squared again. I think we're going to see I squared in every single problem today. Replace I squared with -1.
So it would be 2I
Yes.
plus 2I minus I squared. And made that into -1. So that should be positive. And now that's positive. So it would be, oh, we got that at 50, so it would be what?
I mean, honestly, Desmond, you could just come up and teach this.
Desmond, go up.
Let's get Desmond up here. You got it. 15 plus 2I plus 1, and then you combine like terms. 16 plus 2I. Yeah. The only change from what you've done before is you take I squared out, put -1 in. But 21 is a whole nother situation.
If we do that, since it's I on the bottom, we just cancel those.
No, you can't. Not when there's an addition or subtraction. All right. 21's like 21's where you're gonna show a lot of growth. Real chance for growth here. Zachary, are you looking at the example? Look at it. Look at it. Desmond, are you ready? Thomas and Flynn, will y'all be quiet? Alright, you're gonna see something you've never seen before. Brand new to you. This is a complex number over a complex number. There are no imaginary numbers allowed in denominators. There's a rule, you have to get rid of it. So this is a rule breaker. The way to get rid of it is to use what's called a conjugate. A conjugate is the exact same expression with an opposite sign. So this is 2 minus I. We're going to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of this, which is 2 plus I. When you multiply this, it's very long. So we have to do first, outer, inner, last. And that leads you here. Same thing down here. First, outer, inner, last. And that leads you here. For top and bottom, yeah. You could do box method. Then you combine like terms. 4 and 6i make 10i. You take I squared out, put -1 in. Simplify, reduce. And then your ending result has a real number denominator. The conjugate is extremely effective at taking fractions with imaginary denominators and making them real. This is a nice example. Let's try one, number 21.
So we could do 2 over 2, 2 times 2, like 2 for 21. Can we do that one? Like kind of like what they did on the last one, like the example.
This one, 3 minus I. The name for that is conjugate.
What is this 21?
This is the same page we were just on, 203. What's that? Yes. The bottom is the whole situation. We don't even care about the tops of fractions, but the bottoms we're like obsessed with. We wanted the bottoms to be regular, normal, no i's, no radicals. So we take the bottom, we change the sign, we're going to multiply it in. And really from here on out, it's just like a really long multiplication problem.
Over time. Oh. Uh-oh.
Negative 4i times 3, negative 12i. I got 2 times negative I. Is your I negative?
Oh no,
And then we're going to combine like terms. Put a -1 in.
I would love to be I think it's
But I haven't been.
That's your answer. Yeah. But we started with an imaginary denominator and we ended up with a solid 5. Fits. Zachary, there's like very clear policy that you shouldn't be putting your hands in someone else's Chromebook. What's going on over there? Okay, stop. Okay, I've already specifically said to you, get to work, and you're still doing that. Have you done this problem?
I tried to.
We'll keep it going. After you try, when you get stopped, it's not get distracted and mess around. It's figure out what stopped you. What stopped you, Zachary?
The oil part. I did it so
Fix it. Do it right. Okay? The fact that you're acknowledging that you did it wrong is so good. Put that first bit of effort in. Keep it going. Finish the problem and figure it out. Don't stop at the hard part. You got to move through that. That's where you get the growth. It's not just you, Zachary. I'm sorry I'm calling you out today, but it's, there's a whole bit back there. We need to do better.
No, bro, you're lying.
Let's do another one right now. So go to the assignment and find the one that's like 23, and let's do another one on your assignment right now.
We heard this thing for and then
What, Flem? Yeah, we're just doing on. Which one should we do? Did you find one?
no,
Which one? So that's this multiplication. So 3 times -1. Next. Yeah, which one should I
three.
What's that?
Isn't it positive?
So I have a positive 3 times -1. I don't even have a negative that Let's do 49. I love that. But oh no. We're not ready. Take 49 out. We're not ready. Forty-one. Are you good with 41? Conjugate. So again, this is your assignment. It's 29 to 49. I'm gonna way shorten it. Let's just do to 45 on. What? But what time?
So we don't have to do 47.
It's 9:36. It's on the 9:50.
51.
Yeah.
Tons of time still. Okay, we're good. 41. So I'm using the I'm using the conjugate. I'm doing 3 plus I over 3 plus I. So I'm gonna really crush out. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Yeah.
Can you give us an example using
Okay. I'll just do this one on the board with the boxes. Top would be 12, 4i, 6i, 2i squared.
12.
Okay. Just write it how you want it. Top.
Plus 2. 11. Yeah, my bad. I saw the 2 and like.
Right, the bottom.
Absolutely.
Okay, which part?
All of it.
Draw the box.
I could probably do that.
This is 41.
Oh, thank you. And 42.
So this is using the box method. You do the box on the top, we do the box on the bottom. You end up having to combine like terms just like you do if they were x's. And then you get to work with taking I squared out and putting -1 in. So when you're ready, go right into 43.
Say like you don't want me to talk to you, is that what you're trying to say? Beyonce.
You get out of the recording. Day is technically over at 36. Yeah. That's why I'm not wearing any scarf here.
Where's that spent? Where'd you go? Come on, that's my daddy. I was talking about his car. His car. Yeah, I did get -5. I don't know why I wrote I did get -5. Thank you. Thank you. Did it. I'm good.
Since it's squared, if you just do, you just get like you would have any other round. I like that. If you had a whole bunch of